Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling core services so location data can flow. Open Quick Settings or Settings Location and switch location on. Once done, disable Battery Saver or choose High Accuracy so GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks all help. Make sure your device's date and time are correct and network connected. Inaccurate time can delay satellite fixes. Now that the sensor stack is active, move to Permissions so apps can actually use that location data in the next step. Next, give apps the rights they need. Go to Settings Apps, pick the app, and set location permission to while using app or always if background tracking is required. Also enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning inside location settings. These improve accuracy without constant GPS. Toggle Google location accuracy onto fuse sensors and networks. Make sure each app level switch is enabled for the exact access you want, and confirm background access if the app needs location when not visible. Finish by testing. Open your Maps app and watch the blue dot. It should lock onto your position within seconds to a minute. If it's slow, toggle location off and on, or restart the phone to reset sensors. Confirm the app shows permission and background access if needed. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reset network settings to restore Wi-Fi and cellular assistance. Troubleshooting tip: if location stays inaccurate, check for a case blocking GPS or try outdoors with a clear sky view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.